welcome to Bria's surprise box. I am gonna open a Little Blizzard Friends D Cube. What will I get? Let's start opening. Three bags inside. Two little ones, one big one. Open the little one first. It's a little hair. I might know which one I got. I might get this one or this one or this one. They're so cute. This, I'm guessing it's an outfit. Yeah. Okay, so red hair with a green and red dress. Green, white, and red. I think we got her. She's so cute. Or we could get her. They both have the same dresses. Okay. What are we getting now? Who is it? I see red hair with polka dots. That means we got her. Ah, look how cute she is. Let's dress her up. Her name is Strawberry Sweetie. I'm getting her all dressed up. I put her cute little pigtails into Bailey. Let's get that in. Here she is, all dressed up and cute. She's so cute. I especially love the soft hair. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. Bye.